Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I want to show you a cool little embellishment, a steampunk butterfly. So what you need are 3 identical butterfly images. If you don't have them on paper, then you can stamp them or print them on the computer, but they need to be identical. So now I'm going to glue 2 of them together, and I'm going to take a pencil and draw a frame around the wing with my pencil like this. Going to do that on the other wing as well. And the reason that I have taped the butterfly to the desk is because I'm going to cut along the pencil line that I did through both of the butterflies. So I need them to stay together because I want the cut to be identical as well. So now I have both framed butterflies, and I have applied some foam tape around the frame, and I'm attaching it to the 3rd butterfly. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the 3rd frame. I'm going to apply some foam tape to it and then attach it on top of the frame that is already attached. So now I have a really 3D framed butterfly. You see? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue pieces of cogwheels, steampunk embellishments, metal parts, clock parts inside the wings. They are 3D, so I can layer the embellishments one on top of the other and attach more and more embellishments, little ones, until I have this beautiful steampunk butterfly embellishment ready. Just adding a few more pieces. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to use it inside one of my mini albums as an embellishment. The entire mini album is in a steampunk theme, so this will work perfectly. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's going to go in this mini album. Give it a go. It's really easy to make. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you